Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Sofea, binti Hasmei. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a student-friendly breakfast. So this meal is called a scrambled egg sandwich. Okay, we're going to start with the scrambled egg. First, we break the egg. And after that, add some salt and pepper. And after that, we stick everything together. So, we use non-stick a pan for better outcome. As egg start to cook, scramble the egg, and the scrambled egg is done. The ingredients for the sandwich are the scrambled egg, bread, vegetable, and with the sauce. For balanced diet, I eat the egg along with the bread. Okay, we put the egg first. And after that, some veggies. And for today, I choose lettuce as my choice of veggies. And I also add a chili sauce. And after that, it's so like this. And that's it, the sandwich is done. Okay, so lastly, I'm gonna make a drink to complete the meal, and I usually drink the Milo as the tasty and to help me to energize my throughout the day. So the ingredients is we use the Milo and the hot water. First thing, we pour the Milo first. Okay. And then after that, we put hot water. And the last thing, we stir up. Okay, so that's how to make a hot Milo. I think the dish is suited for students that the most as it's easy to make and cheap. It only costs for 3 ringgit and it only took 4 minutes. Is to complete the whole meal. So happy trying!